This courtyard felt exposed and bland, and I wanted to create a sense of intimacy and shelter. That's why we installed a Luxaflex folding arm awning. This retractable Como outdoor awning is a great solution for open plan living, whether it be for a large outdoor area or a smaller entertaining space just like this one. Its contemporary design allows you to improve the comfort of your home and keep entertaining in style all year round. With a simple touch of a button, operation is made easy. Motorized control can be further enhanced with a range of options, including a sun sensor that is designed to extend your awning and provide shade, as well as wind sensors designed to retract your awning during windy conditions to prevent damage. Available in a wide variety of colours, fabrics and materials, the choices are endless. I didn't want anything too bold, so I've selected a soft blue-grey that ties in with the existing exterior paint colour and the new paving. For a premium property on Sydney's North Shore, this outdoor area needed to feel inviting, just so the house could reach its potential. The addition of this Como awning certainly enhances the outdoor space, making it the perfect entertainer's courtyard.